Righto, we are back for day 2. Day 2 is screwing the roof sheets to these panels. We've got 6 of them to do, so we cut all the sheets yesterday. I'll go grab some and we'll get started. Okay, so we've pretty much got everything down here now. Everything that I think we need. I'm sure there's things that we've forgotten, but we've got to run 5 of these panels along the back and then 1 of them along the end to just block off the end. And then we got some panels along the front side with Avery mesh on this front side. So we will start by running a string line to make sure we make a straight line from the back edge. I think that's what we'll start with. 40 minutes.
It didn't feel like it.
Yeah, there we go. So this will be a 2x1 area. I'll hit it in a bit better so we don't have the big gaps at the back. And then we got a 3x1 area. And then I got to make this into a gate, cutting off one of the legs. There we go.